People, hello, this is Danny, the teacher. And if you miss your board like this teacher here, I'm gonna show you some digital boards you can use in your virtual classes. Let's go. So people, the first digital board that I'm gonna show you is when we are working on Teams. So right here you find out this option that is for sharing. You click there, then you go to your right and you will see this blue icon that is the board. You click. After those messages, you will be able to work on your board. On your right, you have the different possibilities for pencil. I'm gonna choose this one and you can start doing whatever you want. Okay, so right here we have a couple of friends. So you can see you can do whatever you want with this board. You can also work on the app itself. So you click here and then another board is gonna open. Right here you have more possibilities. You see? You have more options for pen and pencil. Markers also, you have an eraser. You can paste a picture. Right here you can also type. You have the possibility to type. You have the possibility to take pictures, use documents as Word and PowerPoint. So this is a very good one, all right? So you have the possibility to type here. So if you like this digital board, say point. People, another very nice digital board we can find on Google is Jamboard. So we go to jamboard.google.com and we find this. We create a new board by clicking on this orange option here. I'm gonna go to this one and we have many possibilities. We can change the background, okay, if you want. So I'm gonna do an activity with my friends, John and Luisa. I'm gonna put it a little bit bigger. And right here you have the many possibilities as pen, pencil, highlighter, paint brushes, and the different colors. You have an eraser, you have a pointer, and you have these sticky notes. I want John to make a question. It's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna put the question here, and Luisa is gonna give the answer. I'm gonna use another sticky note, but in this case I will choose pink. That's gonna be the answer. I'm gonna put it right here. So you can see there are many things you can do. You can also add pictures. You can use this laser here. All right, that is very nice. And if you want to share it with your students, you click compartir. You make sure that they can edit. You copy the link and you click listo. Then you share the link whatever you want and they will be able to participate on your board. So if you like this board, just say point. People, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you liked it a lot. And if you did, please give me a like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligators. Point.